Hello and welcome. I read this comment on a post from another YouTuber and I got the feeling this is something to talk about, as I'm both offering high quality courses and I'm also working in the corporate environment since several years. I have the feeling there is a misconception of what courses and certificates are there for, so let's go over this comment and let me try to help anyone feeling similar as this person. So the person is writing, honestly, I don't know what to do at this point. I have a GitHub, I did a Google Data Analytics certificate, and I've completed heaps of Coursera and LinkedIn learning content, all of which resulted in 0 recruiters reaching out and 0 responses to resume submissions. Oh, and most jobs are entry level with 3 to 5 years of experience. So overall, the person has a hard time getting into the field, even though he seems to have attained a valuable skill set. So let's talk about that. First things first. Following a course or attaining a certificate to get a structured learning path and instructions is a very good idea. Anyhow, you don't do courses or certificates for anybody else except yourself. You want to learn a skill that you are interested in, or the market is currently looking for that skill and you want to increase your chances to be considered by attaining this skill. The reality now is, doing a course or certificate alone won't give you a significant edge as long as you didn't apply this attained knowledge and have a quality proof of applying this knowledge. In the job market, the most valuable thing to have by a mile is professional experience. There is almost no technical skill set which can replace professional experience. What makes it even harder is the job market, and that is a reality, is highly competitive. That means, as professional experience is so valuable, these are the things companies and recruiters are looking for and not the technical skill itself. They want to have the technical skill, but applied to a business context, among other super important soft and hard skills which are naturally coming with professional experience. Therefore, you cannot expect the company, or going further, a recruiter the company is paying, reaching out to you because of a course you attended, a certificate you completed, or a GitHub profile you set up. This can happen, but it is the very, very rare exception. Just try to take the corporate view for a second and think about who would you hire? Someone with a bunch of certificates and finished courses, or someone with a full year of relevant professional experience showcasing he applied the knowledge on business problems? I personally know who I would take. Professional experience is a proof of not only technical abilities, but also other important things like reliability, able to work under pressure, and so on and so on. So what should I do? First of all, you buy a structured course. In the best case, obviously mine, which I will link in the video description, containing projects you should tackle, practical advice, and a ton of knowledge for a more than fair price. Then you apply that knowledge attained by building a project which excites you. No copy-paste, but a whole own project. Then you send out at least 30 quality applications to junior positions if you don't have any practical experience yet. And yes, salary won't be fair, but in the mid to long term, you are winning. Then you work at least 1 to 2 years in your position, do your absolute best, and with that, your salary will increase, promotions will come, and other opportunities will also show up. And then you have what the job market wants. Super important. Start as early as possible. So while you're getting your degree, or even earlier, do internships and connect with as many people as possible. I don't care if you're an introvert, if you don't like someone, if you don't feel like it, just detach all emotions and connect with people. After each internship, you obviously ask for opportunities. Also, don't underestimate reaching out to people personally and asking them for an opportunity. Just try to not come off needy or take responses personally. Last but not least, very important, be realistic. Do not expect recruiters reaching out to you as long as you have no relevant professional experience. There are way better options in the job market than you, I'm sorry to say. Do a reality check. Which skills are you lacking? It doesn't matter if that's a hard skill or soft skill, both are equally important. And then tackle your weaknesses. Do not rely solely on your technical skill set. If you're not qualified for a junior role yet, you do another internship. So get as much exposure to the job market as possible. That said, I keep my fingers crossed for you. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, drop me a comment below and have a good one. Bye bye.